New at 10 tonight, as we see a rise in positive COVID-19 cases, we know that many of you have concerns and you have questions, and a local health system addressed them today. Chris 6 News reporter Chelsea Torres has more.
This afternoon, a couple of experts from the Driscoll Health System held a virtual meeting about the third spike of COVID-19 cases right here in the Coastal Bend. As the Coastal Bend and the rest of Texas see a rise in coronavirus cases, the director of infectious diseases at Driscoll Children's Hospital says we need to go back to basics.
The face masks are clearly critical at this point for us to remain open. I think that's what we all want, is to remain open. So we need to do the physical distancing, the mask, the hand sanitation, the alcohol base.
The Driscoll Health System brought in infectious disease expert Dr. Jaime Fergie and Driscoll Health System Chief Operating Officer Mary Peterson, who is also the president of the American Society of Anesthesiologists. Peterson and Fergie both agree as we see a resurgence in cases, you should try to minimize the amount of people you are around.
Maybe now is the time to make those groups much smaller so that, hopefully we can still maintain some socialization, but doing it in a much safer way.
Peterson cleared up hospital concerns. She says Driscoll Children's Hospital has enough beds and is good on resources in the hospital. Another common question, can we continue with sports and activities? Dr. Fergie says this is not the right time.
Doing cross-country running, that's an ideal situation. Just you distant from the other people, fresh air. That is going to decrease any chance of transmission of any viruses.
Fergie says if you notice shortness of breath, speak with your doctor. If you have tested positive, then figure out who you have been in contact with.
Finding out who is sick, finding out who that person has been in contact with, testing them, isolating them, that is the fundamental thing we need to do.
Dr. Fergie also mentioned that COVID-19 is a virus that health professionals are still learning about every single day. He recommends speaking with your doctor if you have symptoms and are concerned. Reporting from Driscoll Children's Hospital, Chelsea Torres, Chris 6 News.